As a beginner artist, as a struggling artist, you agree with me that
You will need your video gadgets in order to film your work. And you can confirm with me how expensive it can be to get this. Well, one of the prominent one is the mobile stand, also known as the triple stand, as some people will call it. To film your art
to
and
show to the world. So what if you don't have it? Does that mean that you're not going to show your art to the world to see? You're not going to film your work. You're not going to show us your drawing process and every other thing. Of course not. What if there's a solution to this? Yes.
hi dear artists watching this video right now. I'm Tabitha, coming doc for
So
short.
I'm going
Welcome
to
to
be
my
sharing
channel.
you the process how to make a DIY mobile stand. Let's dive in.
So guys, these are the materials and tools that I use for my mobile stand. I'm going to drop their names on the description box. So the first thing is I'll take my bottle, yes, water bottle, and cut it off with a blade. If it's blade or knife, anything cuttable, cut it with it. Then next I'll use tape. Yeah, it can be cello tape, paper tape, electric tape. Any tape can do. Yeah, just use to tape them out. So it's going to give it a smooth surface where we can. So it's going to stand, give it a proper standing. So next is our mobile holder. Yeah, that is where we are going to place our phone, so it's not going to fall down. So to achieve this, I'm going to dismantle the carton. As you can see, with blade, anything, knife. So you cut it, cut it. Next, I'll take each of the cartons, starting from the two bread. I'm measuring it with my ruler and pencil, then cut it off with my blade. In all, giving me 8 pieces. Next, I'll take another carton, this time bigger than the bread, which is the length, and I'll place my cut out 8 pieces on each side, that is 4 on the left hand side and 4 on the right hand side, and seal it up with my tape. Here you can use gum, but make sure it's a good one, and if you are using tape, cello tape, any tape, make sure you tape it well. So let's see if it will hold our foam. As you can see, it is, but not so firm. So in order to hold my phone firmly, I'm going to take another carton and place it on each of the 4 sides, making it equal parts. I'm making it 5 on each side. So this time I'll push it outwards, yes, than the remaining 4 pieces. As you can see, yes. And seal it with my tape. So now let's move on to our stand. So for this, I'll use my cardboard and a stick to join the mobile holder with the mobile stand. It's okay if you don't have a stick, you can actually use a screw like this, or anything you can use to join both together. This is my stand in metal form. Yours can be in plastic form, either any form can go. Just make sure it's something that can hold your phone, your mobile device firmly. achieving this, I spent 3 hours. So this is something you can do as well. I mean, not having your video kit yet or your triple stand shouldn't stop you from filming your work or the process of your drawing. So as you can see, I've actually joined them together with my tape. So here you can use the screw if you have any. Voila, our mobile stand is ready. See you on my next video. Bye.